Hello everyone, welcome to e-learning of IT for 12th standard. This video is for 12th standard science students. We are discussing 5th chapter from syllabus, that is server-side scripting with PHP language. Today we are going to discuss about user-defined functions in PHP. See, we have already seen how to use a predefined functions in a PHP program. For example, we have used a string functions in a program. Okay, so what is basically a function? Function is nothing but a block of statements that can be used repeatedly in a program. That is a certain block of statements. Once you have written in a function, you can call that function repeatedly in a program. Then there is no need to write that same code again and again. Once you have written the function, it will not get executed immediately whenever the page gets loaded, but it will get executed by a call to that function. So that you have to call the function from your program, and after that specified call to a function, only the function will get executed. Along with the built-in functions, PHP functions, we can always create our own functions. So we have seen different built-in functions, predefined functions in PHP. You can use those functions in a program, and also you can create your own functions in PHP language. User-defined function declaration starts with the word function. So see here a syntax to declare a function. The syntax is, it starts with a keyword, that is function. Then after that specify a name to the function. Function name can be any name that you want to give to your function. It should start with a alphabet. Okay, so we have seen already how to declare, use, call a function in JavaScript language. In the same way we can use the functions in PHP also. So this is the syntax: function, then function name, set of round brackets, after that curly bracket open and close contains the block of statements, that is code to be executed. So this is the syntax to declare a user defined function, and user defined function declaration starts with a function keyword. You have to declare the function in this way, and then you have to call the function so that it will get executed. How to call the function? We have to just type a name of function, and after that round bracket and then semicolon. Then that line indicates that this is a call to function. Okay, so let us write down a function, user defined function in PHP. So to write down a program, open a notepad. PHP program starts with this, ends with question mark. Now let us write down a program. We want to declare a user defined function. How to declare a function? It starts with a function keyword. So function space, here specify any meaningful name to your function. Suppose welcome. Name of function is welcome. Then curly bracket open and close. This will contain a code to be executed. Suppose whenever this welcome function is called, you have to display a message. You want to display a message, that is, suppose welcome to functions in PHP. Welcome to functions in PHP. Then here end this statement with semicolon. Now we have declared a definition of this function, that is, we have declared the function welcome. Name of function is welcome here. Now we want to call this function. So to call the function, syntax is type a name of function. So here welcome, then set of round brackets and then semicolon. This is a call to function. So this is definition of function, and this is a call to function. Whenever a program will reach to this line, welcome, round brackets, semicolon, this function will get called and this message will get displayed. So now let us save this program. Press Ctrl S. Save the program in your project location folder as like this, XAMPP htdocs. Within that your folder will be there. Now type a name for this program, suppose demo function, demofun.php. Now save this program. To run this program, we will open a XAMPP control panel. So search here for XAMPP control panel. From that start Apache server and then open any browser. Here let us start the Apache server. See, here is the status, it is running. And then open any browser and type a local host and then select the path of your project location folder. Within this folder you will get all the files that you have created. Just now we have created this file demofun.php. So let us run this file, and this is the output of the program. Welcome to functions in PHP. See here, welcome function is called, and after that this function is has get executed. Okay, we can declare many functions here. Okay, suppose let us declare one more function, that is function, suppose say hi, and within that let us display a message as good morning. Hi, good morning. Etc. Then specify here a semicolon. Now let us call this function. So suppose function is say hi, then semicolon. Save this program, and now refresh the page to see the output. So press F5 key or click here, and this is the output of the program. If we want this output to get displayed on next line, what we have to do? Here use a BR tag. So save the program and again refresh the page. This is the output of program. See here, function welcome and function say hi, these two functions are there, and these are the calling statements, function calling statements. If we change the sequence of calling the functions like this, suppose first we call a function that say hi, after that we call a function welcome. So first say hi function will get called and message will display, that is hi good morning. After that welcome function will get called, which contains the echo statement that welcome to functions in PHP. So now the sequence of calling function has been changed. So let us check the output. First of all, save this program, press Ctrl S, then run this program again. See here, hi good morning, and after that welcome to functions in PHP. So now sequence of calling function is changed. Here if you want this output to be on next line, use here BR tag, save the program, and see here is the output. So in this way we can declare a function like this. This is the function declaration, and to call the function we can use a syntax like this. So in this way we can declare many functions and we can call those functions in PHP language. We can also pass values to the function. We can calculate based on those values, and also return a result from the function. So that we will discuss in a next lecture, that is PHP functions with argument and how to return a value from function. So for today we have discussed about how to declare a function, what is the syntax to declare a function, and how we can use a function in PHP program. So note down syntax of PHP functions like this, and after that write down this code and try to execute it. You can declare a different functions, you can specify any meaningful names to the function and can display the messages. So try to execute a code using functions in PHP language. Thank you.